Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're gonna disassemble the remote for this quadcopter. I'm having issues with this one. From time to time when I turn it on, the light is really fade even though the batteries are new. It's having trouble connecting with the device or dropping the connection while I'm in mid-flight, which is not funny at all. So I suspect that there's some like broken leads or like disconnections inside the board, so I'm gonna disconnect everything and try to reflow like all those pins, and if it comes to that, I got a spare switch that I'm gonna put in, because I have a feeling that the issue is right here, because when I press it really firm, you know, it comes back to it, so it's clearly issue with the connection. I mean, we can try it right now. Probably it's gonna connect. I mean, it always does when I'm trying to show somebody, but let's see. Yep. Okay, let's see. Yep. And let's try. Usually even a small flick. Nope. Well, nevertheless, we're gonna open it up at least to see what's inside and see if we can fix the issue. Alright, let's get on with it. Okay, first thing, I'm gonna power down the drone. Alright, first things first. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this out and just gonna reflow these connections, some of these, yeah, because this one looks nasty and this one's not really nice. This one's also kind of janky. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna reflow some of these connections and see if that helps. If not, I got another one of these switches. This one is a little shorter, but okay, we'll try without switching the switch and see if that works. So we'll take it from there. Alright guys, I just did a reflow of all the components in the back. It seems that kind of fixed the issue. Just in case, I just put like a little foam tape on the back, so you know, supposedly the damage was due to the stress of the board. So right now it's working fine. I'm gonna continue with the assemblement of the parts, so we're gonna put this together. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna put back the cones. Moment of truth. All right. Beautiful. All right, let's see. Biscuit bad boy can fly. All right. And it's time to take it off.